Recording the audio now. Let's start the video.
Should should we do the thing where we clap to sync the audio to the video?
Oh wait, I
Uh,
got it.
ah,
So, in this, wait, no, that's stupid. Who fucking talks like that? That's how I always. That's how I start all my videos. The videos that I try, or the videos that I want to start. I don't know how to start it, and then I start to cry, or I don't. But I sound like I'm crying when I talk.
like that cat with the microphone. Hello everybody and welcome back to my new video. I've never made a video before, but this is my new one.
It's true. This is my first video.
And it instantly sucks.
But we're going to install Slackware on this really old laptop in front of me that I was given from work. And then you might be asking yourself, why are you installing Slackware? Because it looks really shitty, and everyone says it's really good, but it don't look good from the screenshots.
Because you are a nerd who enjoys installing computer software.
And I'm gonna install it on this SSD by Dogfish Technology Tech. It was like $17. And
And that's pretty cheap.
I don't think it's gonna work.
How much space does that SSD have?
64 gigabytes, which is
Whoa, for 17 bucks?
that's not really not like a super good deal. But I
I don't
just
know. The last time I had anything to do with solid state drives was
oh
fucking
yeah.
when I was building my computer like 5 years ago. So sounds cheap to me, boss.
Yeah, I had that 120 gig SSD that I gave Jared. That was years ago, and that thing was, I think, $60 for 120 gigs, and that wasn't even a good one.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can get NVMe's for very cheap, and those things are fucking blazing fast.
I was looking at stuff the other day because I think we were talking about how cheap they've gotten. Uh, uh and I could get like a terabyte one.
For a cool hundo. And then you can get like that Samsung shit. I think it would crash before you even get to that. So this laptop, it doesn't say how big this drive is. This is an old. Oh, it's 80 gigabytes. 80 gigabytes of spinning metal, which is very slow. Because this is a Windows XP laptop. But it's cool because they're really big, and I really like big, chunky laptops. They don't really make them anymore. Like the one I had in school was a big, chunky laptop, and it was really. Chungus wasn't a thing. Sorry to say. I mean, it could have been. No, it definitely wasn't. I think I graduated in what, 2016? And I would launch this laptop and show everyone what's on it, but it's the person that owned it before me didn't wipe it, and it was someone that used to work at the company I work for, and I don't want to show any of that on video. And this person also could not be contacted because they are in some weird hippie gong therapy commune like out west. She used to bring in, before, she wasn't there when I worked there, but she used to bring in various rocks, and would put them under people's desks that were having a bad day. to get the... But while they were cleaning out, I got this... I was able to, behind a bunch of stuff, one of the weird rocks, she just, like, left it. Because it was a big stick of that white crystal stuff. No, it was something else, where it's just a long, like, rod that's very, very, like, square or something. And I know a bunch of hippies like that. And they were just like, yeah, whatever, you can have it, I don't give a shit. And I was like, oh, score! I don't know how to get this hard drive in, it won't go in. Why won't it go in? It'd be really funny if this was such like a shit SSD that it just wouldn't fit anyway. Because they built it wrong. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, we got my company got hacked a couple of years ago, and come to find out, the reason it got hacked was because there was a Windows XP computer still connected to the network. I mean, this happened a while ago, so I probably did, but... And then there's a Windows XP computer that's used for the CMM software because you get these big-ass expensive machines and they never update the goddamn program, so you have to use Windows XP. And then we were like, what the fuck? We got hacked. How the fuck did this happen? And we were fucking running around trying to figure out why. And it's just a stupid Windows XP. It's just there. It was a ransomware. Stuff started getting encrypted. And then, or... Actually, yeah, it wasn't an email that time. The last time we got hacked was, someone opening an email they shouldn't have. Yeah, you know how it is. Police be like, sure, have you been smoking tonight? They're like, yeah. Actually, oh shit, okay, that works. Okay, I got the hard drive in. I didn't put all the screws in, but I don't really care. It looks like it's gonna not rattle, so I don't really care. Alright, it's not really vibrating, we're good. Let me change the camera so we can see the nice screen. It's a lot cheaper to buy a good digital camera that would probably be better than an iPhone than buying a $1,300 iPhone. And I'm filming this right now on an iPhone. Because I don't have anything else. While this video is not sponsored by Apple, it is sponsored by Slackware. It's not. Who I want to be I want to be sponsored by Ugly. I ran out of Ugly. Please send me more. Bro, absolutely unnecessary. Someone fucking throw a red flag or something. Where's my flash drive? I don't know where I put it. Ah! Everything's going wrong. Holy, my ass. I have Slackware installed on... Oh, wait. It's very dark. Flash drive. Slackware on flash drive. I wish they made laptops like this, still. Though I guess they well, Lenovo kinda does, but... Lenovo doesn't have, like, the docks anymore. Remember those big docks you could just, like, slap them on? Now they have, like, weird Thunderbolt docks, and it's kinda lame. All I know is that you have to buy an old computer off of eBay and then you're set. It was an out of date computer when I bought it, and it brought me through most of high school. It was a shitty laptop, but it was epic. And then I used that laptop that Eunice like threw down the stairs. Eunice's brothers threw down the stairs. Oh yeah, listen to that fan. I haven't turned this thing on since I got it. I don't know what the button to go into the boot is. Boot menu, but fuck. I can't react that fast. You know how when it flashes you have to spam the button to go into the BIOS and shit? It flashed by too fast. What the fuck is this? This isn't Slackware. What did I put on this? I think I picked up the wrong flash drive. This looks like Ubuntu. I think. Maybe it is, and they just all look like that. Ubuntu? When was the last time I touched Ubuntu? What the fuck? This must be years old. Alright guys, this isn't an installing Slackware video, this is a checking out old Ubuntu. Where's that other flash drive? Ubuntu. That's fucking weird. I think the last time I remember using Ubuntu was like 2015. For the Minecraft server, I started with OpenSUSE, and then I couldn't figure out, so I changed, but the reason why it wasn't working was because both of us are rockheads. You typed an IP wrong, and I was also typing the IP wrong, but a different IP. And then I switched to Manjaro, which is, I mean, they're both Linux, but Manjaro's Arch and OpenSUSE's OpenSUSE. Ubuntu is easy to figure out. Oh, you should see if your computer can even run Windows 11. Wait. Hang on. I clicked record, and I see the record icon isn't recording anymore. If that's the case, I think I might just go upstairs and hang myself. Damn, I think it wasn't recording a lot of that. That's fucked up. I wasn't recording. That wouldn't even be a problem. But, because I'm like, recording off the, phone now, I could just use that.
Mm-hmm.
But it wasn't recording the audio from Discord.
Damn.
Dude, that's fucked up. That's
You wanted the audio from Discord recorded?
yeah.
That's where he was talking.
We were having good moments, and then
I see.
everything fucked up. It's legitimately depressing.
Mm-hmm.
Damn! I think that's let me start recording again. Stops recording. Oh, you know what? Maybe when I moved the keyboard, hit a button that I shouldn't have. This is an old-ass Ubuntu on here. It has the cat. I don't know if the new one's the cat anymore.
I don't remember, actually.
But I don't want to install Ubuntu. Cut off the computer. I put the wrong hard drive on. Ooh, that's corrupted. I don't look good. Won't Communicating with TPN chip. Oh yeah, that's what we were talking about. Before I got legitimately upset, you might not be able to run Windows 11 because you need TP 2.0.
I don't know what that means.
It's a chip on your like your motherboard and stuff. Security type chip.
How would I be able to tell if I have it or not? Would I have to like open up my computer, or is there something like I could check from the software?
I think there's a way you can check from software. Oh, when actually Microsoft has a Windows 11 checking tool.
I also, I mean, as long as Windows 10 is still getting security updates, I don't have any great desire to update to Windows
I
11.
think they said they're stopping support in like 2025.
Then it's fine, yeah.
Windows 11 makes your games run better. Windows
What?
11 just looks like a Linux distribution.
I hope it's as lightweight as most Linux distributions.
No, we can't be that spoiled. Welcome to Slackware. We did it. We're in Slackware, not Ubuntu.
Hopefully by 2025 I will be able to fucking just find any kind of fucking new graphics card and just be able to
Oh yeah.
upgrade my computer.
You want a 1060? Actually, I think the 980 matches the 1060 performance.
I have two 980s.
How many of them actually, I think most games don't use both of them.
Yeah, I know. I didn't know that when I built my computer. I just bought two
Yeah.
of them. I bought two of them because Yunez said, bro, get two and SLI them. That'll make them twice as good. And I believed him like a fool.
And the games that do support them, I mean, like Joey used to have, he used to have two, like he had like two old, very, very old NVIDIA graphics cards that he SLI'd so he could play Borderlands 2, but it was super stuttery. There's like micro stutters, because I guess how SLI works is one builds one frame, one builds the next. But when it puts it together, there can be like weird stutters. I imagine it's different now, but SLI is not really a thing anymore. For gamers, at least. Alright, we're in Slackware. Ooh, the Slackware command line. So we need to partition the drive. And that's not how that works. Uh-oh. I'm an idiot and I don't know how to read. System. If you need to pass extra into the proper capable hooch. Press or hit enter. Imagine me reading. I am a boomer.
Oh no.
It's like those people that call you, man, my computer doesn't work. I'm getting an error. What does the error say? I don't know.
Oh. I mean, and to be fair, sometimes when you get an error, it's just like a fucking massive laundry list of something.
I'm QWERTY. I'm quirky. I'm US.map.
Shut.
Okay, the new map is now installed. F'd it. Free space. Free day. Free day.
Free day.
We want a new partition. Want to be swapped? I think. Yes. Oh man, we're getting there. We're almost there. We're almost there. We got the swap in. We want a new. Wait. Uh-oh. I quit. Okay, there, like that. Type. Do they have next step? Old Minix. Minix, old Linux. Amoeba. What does this mean? Oh my goodness, there's so much shit! What does this mean?
Sean, it's okay. You just learned how to read. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, so I mean, in theory, I can just put the rest as the boot, but it's saying here in the little wiki that I should have user and other things as their own part. What does that say? Home and user. Home and user. I'll tell you how to divide your disk. Oh, it says I can do that later, so I'm just gonna make the.
What kind of garbage is that?
Oops, my Linux partition.
I press quit without reading.
Oh no.
Sean, what did you just learn?
I did it! I typed in setup and it worked! Set up your swap partition. Yeah, that works. Yeah, sure. You can check that.
Best part of any computer setup. Instant regret.
All you need to know is that adding this information to my F-stab. Sure, you can stab me anytime. Ah!
Was that a laugh or like a fucking
What the
cry
fuck
of
was that?
lamentation?
That was a cry for help.
Goku Linux.
Goku Linux? Is that a thing?
Oh my god.
Probably, I don't know.
I'm afraid to touch my keyboard. I'm not looking up Goku Linux.
Fair enough.
We need Goku Linux.
We need
Super
BB in.
Saiyan Linux.
If there's a BB in Linux and a Hannah Montana Linux, is there a
Dude,
Big
if you
Time
could
Rush
fucking-
Linux?
Fucking invent Goku Linux. Imagine how many Hispanic teenagers you could get into computer science.
You got Rebecca Black Linux?
I forgot about that one.
What?
Yeah, there's Rebecca Black Linux, and the weirdest part is it's still being updated.
I mean,
Yeah.
Rebecca Black is still making music, so
Is she
maybe the
not-
person who made it likes her new music.
No, this was
I haven't heard anything
old.
beyond
This
the
was
new
old
Friday
Rebecca Black.
remaster.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Classic.
The cholesterol-free desktop environment. Do I want that one?
It doesn't sound too
Well.
bad, I suppose.
I get Katie.
How's your LDL?
I don't know. Well, these are just the desktop environments. We got KDE. Actually, since this laptop's old as fuck, I'm gonna get XFCE. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't work, the video's just gonna end.
Damn.
Yo, we did it! We're in Slackware. Everyone was saying that this is confusing to install, but it was straightforward. The hardest part was downloading Slackware.
The hardest part was using the right fucking flash drive.
Yeah.
Ironically, the hardest part of installing Slackware was simply not installing Ubuntu.
I'm gonna see if we get it to the desktop environment. What the fuck? It's showing me like maps. It's showing me like a secret treasure map.
Really?
I don't know what that means. I don't know what this is. Should I even be showing that? Dark Star login? What does it even mean? I think I fucked up.
Dude, you're in some fucking dark web shit, man.
The fuck is Dark Star?
Ain't that thing from Star Wars?
I think you're onto
Mm.
something. Dark Star login? It never talked about this. Okay, let me look up Dark Star login. What is Dark Star login? Dark Star is the default name for your box. Log in with the name root and the password. Then use add user to add a user. Okay. You have mail. Everything is possible. Pass the word. The fuck is this?
This sounds like kind of creepy. Not gonna lie.
I thought I was gonna have it in a desktop environment. I fucked up.
Oh no.
Oh. Let's see. R X. Choose below which setup you want.
That's why your mama did.
We did it! We're in Slackware. I thought it would boot into the... It's a mouse! Initial group user? I don't know what that means. Additional user... Unix groups? What package manager does Slackware even use? Am I even in the right user? I'm a boomer now.
Oh no.
Slackware is, I think, the oldest Linux distribution out there now. I think I'm gonna stop the video for the time being, and then I'll come back to it later to do the thing I want to do after I read up. So let's play Minecraft.
Okay. Works for me.
So this is the day after, and I've done a little bit of research, so I think I know my way about Slackware now. I'm gonna turn it on and show you what I've been doing, and what I'm gonna be using this computer for, because it's really old. I thought I had a gigabyte of RAM. According to this, it only has 800 something megs. Barely usable, but I only need it for the FireWire card on it, which I'm going to be using for a different video. Let's get this launching. Strange that you have to load into the desktop environment like that. It's like it's booting into Windows 3.1 or something from DOS. So I wasn't really alive for that. And as we can see, the desktop, it works pretty well. It seems pretty stable. So I guess I could have to apologize to the 20 or so people that still use Slackware. It really is usable. And installing packages was pretty hard, but I did end up installing Discord to see if it worked, and it does. But it's barely usable with the limited amount of RAM, which isn't really a big deal. I just need this for the FireWire and the ability to use gparted. But I mean, it all works. It's pretty slow. Had Windows XP on it back in the day. I don't even know how you would use Windows XP with that limited specs. I don't think the person that used it back in the day really did much with it either. I think that's pretty poor considering. But I can see the appeal of something like Slackware. The installation wasn't as bad as what people were saying, which isn't really a problem, I guess. I plan on installing Arch on my main PC, and if people are saying this is harder than Arch, I think I'll be just fine. Just to end the video, I guess, just to show that I was able to get around. We're gonna launch Discord, and it's pretty slow. Here we are. I'm gonna blur most of this, but this is just to really show it's working, and just to show how limited this computer's specs are. Let's neo fetch. We got a very little RAM, 843 megabytes apparently. I feel like that's a little low. Probably on the lower side of something for running this, I imagine. That's why I chose XFCE. But that's kind of into the video. I just wanted it to be something just to show that I was able to install it, just to say I did. And I guess tune in for the next video where I use this machine to something with an old iPod. If I can even get that to work. And if you like this video, subscribe. Or don't. I don't really care. These videos are made mostly for me. And to celebrate a successful install of Slackware, Let's all take a nice swig out of our tonic water. Damn, that shit good.